Hello children, welcome to online computer class. Children, today we are going to start with our new lesson, that is lesson number 5. The lesson name is Log on to Logo. Log on to Logo. Logo is a new word for you, right? Logo. What is logo? That we will see today in this lesson. Now, children, see here. This logo is a computer language. Computer language. Today we are going to learn a new language, new computer language. Can you tell me how many language do you know? How many language you can speak? Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, right? You can speak all these languages? Right. Children, see. How do you express your feelings to your friends? While talking to your friends, how you talk? You use language. What we use? We use language. While talking to your mother, father, brother, sister, what we do? We use language. Which language we use? You use language Marathi, Hindi, English, right? These are the languages. To share our feeling, we need some medium. Okay, these are the languages. We use languages to talk, to write, different languages. Okay, you may speak different languages like Hindi, English, or any other regional language, but to talk to any person, you need to use a common language. Common language means what? You should know the language which your friend is speaking, which your friend understands, and you also understand. That is called a common language. So I am talking to you in English, right? So you understand English, I also understand English. So this is our common language. This is our common language. We both understand the same language. Okay, so we need to talk in a language which we both understand. But do you know computer understands which language? Do you know computer understands which language? See, computer does not understand the language that you speak, that we use. Okay, computer doesn't understand any language that we speak, English, Hindi, Marathi. No, computer has its own language. It has its own language. If you want to give any instruction to the computer, any command to the computer, you need to know, or you need to learn the language which computer understand, so this logo, logo, logo is a computer language, which we are going to learn today in this lesson. Okay children, now you understood what is logo. Logo is a computer language. Logo is one of the easiest computer language. What is the full form of logo? LOGO. Logic oriented, graphic oriented. Logic oriented, graphic oriented. What is logic oriented and graphic oriented? See, using this language, you can draw pictures. You can draw pictures. You can do calculations like math sums, addition, subtraction, multiplication that you can do using logo. You can draw square, you can draw rectangle, triangle using this logo language. Okay, and you can print the text also. Print, you can take a print of it, you can print the text. Now children, first we will see how to download the logo, how to download this application. This logo app we need to have in our computer to learn the logo. Okay, so first step to download the logo is click on the Google. Click on the Google. Open Google and in the search bar type download MS logo. Type download MS logo. See, children, take your parents' help to download MS logo application. Tell your mother to help you to download this application. You have to click on the Google and in the search bar you have to click on the download MS logo. Then you will get this option MSW logo download. Can you see that cursor over there? You just click on that. Then it will get download in your computer. You have to click on this free download MS logo for window and click on this. Like this screen will come. Like this screen MS logo 65EX. Okay, this is showing that it is getting download in your computer. Now you will get that in your computer. See children, tell your mother or father to download MS logo in the computer. Now we have started our lesson, that is logo. Log on to logo. So we need a logo application in our computer. Now once you download the logo in the computer, it will come in the start button. It will come in start button all program. Now you all know where is the start button and where is the all program option. Now click on the start button and then click on all program option. All program, and in all program you will get Microsoft Window logo. See here, first step is to click on the start button. In first picture you can see the start button. In the second picture you can see all program option, and in third you can see there my cursor is there. There is a Microsoft Window logo. You have to click on that. Then you will get one screen on the monitor. This is the screen of MS logo. This is the screen of MS logo. Children, I will show you how to download and how to open this MS logo. Okay children, first see, I will explain you first what is the screen, what are the parts of the screen. First we will see two main parts of this MS logo screen. See, main first window, you can see this full window is split into two parts. How many parts? Into two parts. Is divided into two parts. One, first screen is a main window and the screen which is there below, that is called a commander window. That is called a commander window. So first screen is a main window and second screen is the commander window. Then can you see one triangle over there? Triangle is there in the center of the screen. At the center of the screen you can see one triangle. That triangle is called turtle. That triangle is called turtle. What is that turtle? That we will see in the detail afterwards. Okay, turtle. First, this triangle is called turtle. It is at the home. It is at the home. The place where it is called home. The center of the screen is called home. Okay, children? See, so you just remember this. The MS logo is split into two parts, that is main window and one is a commander window. You can see commander, COMMANDER, commander window, and down last option can you see input box is written there, input box. There in that input box we type the commands which computer understand, which this application, in this application we are going to use these commands. Okay, and we will type those commands in this input box. Then what will happen when we type the command? When we type the command, this turtle, this triangle turtle will move accordingly, and it will draw a figure which you want, If you want square, it will draw a square, but before that we need to learn this logo language. What we have to do? We need to learn this language. So in this lesson we will learn the language. First we will see the screen of the logo. Okay, children? Now I will show you how to download and how to open the screen and what are the parts of the screen. Okay, children? Now see. Children, first we will see how to download MS logo in our computer. Okay, first in the Google Chrome, see, you will first click on the Google Chrome, and then you will type there download MS logo. Here you will type in the search bar, you will type download MS logo. Then you will get these all options to download MS logo. Okay, so you can click afterwards on the download MS logo free version. Okay, children, just see here you can see, you click here on this option MS logo download. When you will click on this download option, it will come downloading. Okay, it will show you downloading option. Once you download MS logo, then it will come in the start button and on your desktop screen also. See, once the process will complete, the logo will come like this on your desktop screen. You can see here. See, children, and on the start button also it will come. On start button, when you will click on the start button, see, it will come in the menu list, a Microsoft Windows logo. When you will click, just click on this Microsoft Windows logo, click with the left button of the mouse, it will get open. Now our MS logo window will get open on the screen. Just wait, children. See, like this message will come. You have to close this. Then like this window will come. You can either click on OK or you can click on this close window. Then we will get a MS logo window on the screen. This is our MS logo window. See here, you can see MS logo window. Okay, you can see this window. how it is looking. See, it is divided into two parts. MS logo window is divided in two parts. I will show you. See children, this first box, here you can see this first box. This, see, I am moving this window. This window is called a main window, or a main screen or a graphic screen. You can call this graphic screen, this first box. Okay, then below you can see a commander. See, you can see a commander window. This is a commander window. You can see this commander window. See, this is commander window. This is the smaller area under the main screen. This is the main screen. See, you can see this is the main screen, and below the screen you will get this smaller area which is called a commander window. Okay, it is used for typing commands. Here in this box, you can see my cursor here. In this box here, you can type your command. This is a command input box. Here you can see my pointer, and this is a, see here, this is a command input box. Okay children, and whatever you will type will come here. You can see in this commander window. So today what we have seen, how to open MS logo and the two parts of the MS logo, two screen. It is divided into two screen, main screen and commander window. This is commander window. Okay children, and now I will show you. Can you see this triangle on the screen? This triangle is called turtle. This triangle is called turtle. Just keep in mind, this is the turtle. This is a turtle. Okay children, now what is this turtle? See, when we give command here, this turtle will move accordingly. This turtle will move. If you give a forward command, it will move forward. If you give a backward command, it will move backward. So this turtle, see, this triangle is a turtle, and this is the main screen, and this is a commander window. So today this much we have seen in the MS logo. Next time we will see how to type the command and what are the commands. Okay children? Children, I hope you all understood how to download logo and how to open logo and what are the parts of the MS logo window. See, logo screen is split into two parts, that is main window, main screen, or a graphic screen. We can call this graphic screen, and commander window, and second window is a commander window. So see this, and this triangle in the main window, you will find a triangle is called a turtle. That also I showed you. Okay, this is turtle, Turtle, turtle. So what we have learned today in this lesson? Today we have learned what is logo. Logic oriented, graphic oriented language, a computer language. It is a computer easiest language. Then how to download logo, and we have seen logo screen. Children, do it today at home. Try to download the logo and see the screen and try to open it. Okay children, take your parents' help to download logo. Then we will learn logo commands. Okay, so we need to have logo in our computer. Okay children, so do it today. Have a nice day. Bye.